Are you struggling on Etsy to make sales? Are you confused about what you can sell and what will bring in the most money and revenue? Today I'm going to show you how I make sets and combinations in my shop that sell time and time again and how I garner the most money for my products. My name is Elisa and I've been selling for the past 18 years. I'm in the top 1% of all Etsy sellers. I sell on Amazon, eBay, and I have my own website on Shopify. I am dedicated to showing you 30 work with me days, and today is day 11. So sit back, relax. I hope you enjoy this video and that I can teach you something that will help you grow your business. What I'm going to do now is I am going to lay all of the elements that I need for this outfit out. The first thing I'm doing is I am weeding the glitter vinyl that I just cut on my Graphtec plotter into shapes of slime. I'm going to be using 3 different color slimes on the shirt. One will be lime green, one will be fluorescent pink, and fluorescent blue. The pink glitter is a little more rigid than all the other colors, so the weeding process takes a little bit longer, but I'm going to pull all of the slimy parts off of the carrier sheet, which is a really sticky sheet that goes into the Graphtec machine. I'm now cutting out all 3 color combinations, and I've also printed out the personalized name on my Graphtec cutter plotter. Once I weed the complete name off the carrier sheet, I'm going to carefully go inside and take out the insides of all the letters in her name. Now that that's done, I'm going to remove all of the elements that I need to make my design. I'm going to pre-press this shirt for just a few seconds to remove all the moisture that may be in the fabric. I'm going to then prepare my lint roller, and I'm going to remove any extra fibers that may be hanging on the shirt. Once I place my number in the center, it doesn't look right, so I'm gonna fold the shirt in half. That's a good way to measure your shirt, and try to find center better that way. I'm measuring side to side, and I still can't seem to get this number correctly. Sometimes shirts aren't even, and I think with this shirt I found that the collar was a little bit warped, kind of off a little bit, so therefore it made measuring a lot harder for me. Now this is a custom product, and the customer decided to change her shirt color, so now I need to find the correct glitter combination that's gonna make this shirt pop and look really good for the birthday girl. I've also got to add an element on top, which is going to be this crown. Now this shirt was originally designed in black, and since the customer changed it, I need to find elements that are going to complement this shirt in the correct way. So I'm going to fidget with it a little bit and see what looks nice to me. So I keep moving around the different elements just to see if it's visually stimulating me, and I'm struggling a little bit with this. So I'm going to, I believe, like move the green over to the left versus the right. I'm moving all the pieces around, and I just decide that maybe this shirt would pop more with gold. Didn't think that looked right. So what I have here is, this is my color catalog, and I have a lot of different color glitters pre-cut. I really like the way this 8 looks. It's popping off the page. I like that a lot. I find something that is disturbing and I have to remove it again. 8 right there had chips in the bottom of the glitter, which meant the glitter was old. And start from scratch. And then I decide maybe I need to do more neon colors because this really pops and neon glows in the dark. So I think this is what I'm gonna go for. And just a few more adjustments and I should be ready to stamp the shirt. So you can see sometimes it can take a lot to get to the right combinations, something that you feel really good and proud to put out there and send to your customer. And I'm just thankful that I have the freedom being the designer to make what I feel is gonna look best for my customer so that they're always satisfied. And now that I've found the right combination for this personalized custom shirt, I'm gonna add my Bubblegum Divas brand logo to the sleeve of the shirt for brand recognition. This is really good to do if you're making clothes or making items where you have special occasion and people can see where the product came from, and it helps you to garner more customers. So this is something that I started doing about a year ago and people love it. I've had no complaints. So now I have made the socks that match. I made those in my workday 9 video. I'm gonna make the skirt and I'm going to add elements to the skirt. This skirt takes a while to make, so I knew that coming in today. So I made the socks on my previous work with me video day, the day that I showed you how I make $130 an hour. I made these socks with the other batches of socks because I knew that when it came to making this skirt, it's going to take a lot of time. I have to lay out every single piece of slime onto the ribbons of the skirt, and it's a lot of pressing and it's a lot of going around the skirt, making sure that everything is on it, as well as making sure that the tulle is straight, not wrinkled, and that I cover all the elements and colors along the skirt. So here we go. My set is almost complete. I went out to my sewing area and I stitched a matching slime hair bow. I've taken my tagging gun and I've added my Bubblegum Divas hang tag onto the shirt as well. I've also made sure that everything has been lint rolled before it goes out the door just to make sure no loose strings are laying on my shirt anywhere or anything that I may have sewn outside or extra glue. And I'm gonna go ahead and place it in this plastic bag. That way, if something's wet when it gets delivered, it protects the outfit. I'm also going to put my QR code onto the outfit. This outfit was sold on Etsy, but my QR code helps customers to know that they can shop and buy other products on my personal website. I also add a little gift that goes with the outfit in the package. And again, my gift has a QR code on it. I'm packaging this up in my personalized logoed bag. And then I'm also placing it inside of a priority mail envelope so that it gets to the customer within 2 to 3 days.